So today we are back with another Great British Bake Off recipe, and today we are doing a sticky toffee pud. I've never had anything like this. Aislinn has allegedly had something like this. We're gonna see how it turns out. Let's bake!
Bye.
Apron time. I put a hair tie in the pocket too. I think you're so prepared. Well, we've learned from the Yule log. I'll never live it down. Oh my god! I made nothing! So sad. This is not a good bake. No, no. This is not it. It's a girthy mess. So the oven is currently preheating to 356 or 58 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 180 Celsius, this conversion thing. America, please get on the metric system. And I have greased heavily baking dish. It's hella cute, it's from Crate & Barrel. I'll link it below if you guys are curious. So for this recipe, I'm doing Mary Berry's recipe with a little bit of adjustments. She's done this recipe on and everything is slightly different consistency. The fuck you at? She does use dates in one of them and walnuts in the other. The one on the BBC is just like using neither, and I'm like, more is more. I've kind of added that stuff in, and then I've also referenced Nigella Lawson because she knows everything. First, we have to soak the dates. These have been soaking in boiling water with a little bit of bicarbonate soda.
No.
And we're just gonna let these soak for about 10 minutes until they get really gushy.
Sounds fun.
Fun fact, I fucking hate dates. I sent Mats out to buy groceries and he overbought them 4 times the amount. And then I made him try a date because I was like, well, you have to eat all these and we're not wasting food, and he hates them too. So, we have butter treacle, AKA all the other fucking names you guys call treacle. Just makes me feel like Narnia / Harry Potter. Nigella Lawson also uses black treacle, which you could totally do, but in the words of, what's Donald Glover's rap name?
Childish Gambino?
Childish Gambino. This is America.
That's funny. No, take it again, I'll cut it out.
I'm not gonna be able to do it without laughing. So Nigella Lawson, fuck it, we're gonna use the first one.
I love how like uncomfortable you are about lying.
So, we're gonna cream these together. You could use a stand mixer, but I don't wanna wash it. Cream this until it's light and floofy, allegedly. Scraping down the sides, because they told me to, and I'm not a fucking monster.
Yeah, it really does still look like just butter, doesn't it?
Yeah, let me read it again. That looks well mixed to me, and now we're gonna add in our brown sugar, AKA, oh, what did I call it? Muscovado sugar, muskrat. Words are hard. Okay, so we're gonna, Going to beat that in, and then gonna add some eggs. Oh, I should've done a bigger ball. That feels right. You know? Maybe? Beating out any lumps. All this is lumpy.
2,000 years later.
One at a time, add the eggs. It's a pretty color. Well, I done goofed with the size of the bowl, so I'm gonna transfer it to this bowl so that I have enough room to put the flour and the other shit in it. So cheap. In here, I have our leaveners. Despite the fact that we're using self-rising.
It's how it's spelled. Rising is just with an I, and then raising is R-A-I.
Yep. Ugh. Yeah, that's our leavener. So much leavening to be done.
Halfway through.
Using a fork, we smush the dates. Now I'm going to pour all of the dates, including the gooey liquid that they're in. Nice. Wow, gorgeous. Oh my god, this is so sticky.
Toffee pudding!
Okay, it's a thing. Now, holy tits, this is fucking heavy. Ooh, so floofy. Just going to smooth it in. Now, this goes into my oven, and it's gonna be in there for 30 to 40 minutes. And then we'll move on to the sticky toffee pot. The fuck is toffee, by the way? It is time to do the sticky part of said sticky toffee pudding. So, hot. Oh my god, don't be so hot. Okay, we'll just listen to the nice fizzing sounds. It's not all alarming. We're gonna put in our butter. This is over medium-low heat. So first we're gonna just melt the brown sugar and butter together. Come on. Bitch, melt.
Ooh.
Oh, we're supposed to have the treacle already. Maybe. My god, you sticky fool. Good god. We've got bubbles, people. Now we're going to add in vanilla.
Woo.
The booze in there. Okay, now that this is all melted, we're making a caramel. It took me a long time to realize what the fuck we were making. That's what this is. I'm like, I recognize you. We've got our double cream. Gonna slowly drizzle this in. And we go and back up to medium because we want to get this boiling. Okay, seeing some bubbles. Now we're gonna take it off the heat. And hopefully it's gonna become thick with some cues. Now this is out of the oven, and while it's still hot, taking thermometer, you don't need to use this. Ooh, ow, sharp. You could also use a cocktail stick, which who the fuck has those in their house? Toothpicks, totally get it. Cocktail sticks? Is that the same thing? That might be the same thing. We're just going to stab it repeatedly. The middle of ours is a little low. That's because my oven's a fucking bitch. Now that you're all speckly, we're supposed to pour about 1/4 of the sauce. Now we're supposed to wait a little bit.
Are we there? Is it time?
We have to wait.
How long?
This just came out of the oven and this just stopped boiling. Like, it's still, that's hot. Okay, so it's been sitting for a bit, and now I'm gonna cut a slice for Miss Aislinn Paul to try.
Wow.
Should we do ice cream next?
Yeah. I'm so excited to eat that.
Well, speaking of, come eat it. Are you ready?
Yes, beyond ready. I've been ready since it came out of the oven. I was ready to eat it piping hot.
Do you want to admit that this is the only recipe so far that you've actually been excited to try?
Yeah. I was excited for the Swiss roll, and then
It tasted like failure.
yeah, it was no.
No. Is it good? Oh my god, the first one that's actually good?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it's a good. Wow, I forgot what this feeling is like.
I can't believe there aren't more like spices in it because it just has like a really deep, a depth of flavor. You got it. You haven't lost your touch. I'm just gonna eat this.
Oh my god, that makes me so happy. Fuck yes. Finally, whatever day it fucking is, we have had.
Day 402.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. We have, excuse me, many more days to go. The next 2 bake-off recipes.
Okay.
We've got 3 more.
Okay.
Not that concerned about the next one.
Okay, that's good.
Knock on wood. The next 2 after that, like 3. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Great, see you tomorrow. Happy baking. We did it. We did.
It's so good. I'm gonna eat the rest of that.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. These walnuts are making me choke. Always been like that. And now you wanna listen?
The skill, Tune in Life, can help you with that. Did you want to enable it?
No, we don't. No, we don't. Oh my god. I hate robot.